What's up guys, happy Saturday. Bit of a different one today. Organised a little car meet for tonight. I'm going to bring the Mini, Aaron's going to drive the Civic, and I got some new stickers made. Have a look. So I got 50 of these made, bringing some jet tags with me and some air fresheners. So everyone that comes along tonight, hopefully you'll get to watch this video and you'll get a free air freshener and a sticker just for popping along. So yeah, I done a new air filter in the Mini yesterday and sorted a few loose wires, bits and pieces that needed to be done. So the Mini will be there tonight. And yeah, I hope to see everyone there. Should be a bit of crack. There doesn't really be any car meets anymore because too many messers. So hopefully we don't have any messers and we can make this a regular thing with the Urban Backstreet Garage YouTube channel. So we will be recording people coming in and people leaving, having a look at some of the nice cars that come along. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm bringing a box of stuff with me with the stickers, hats, a few t-shirts and stuff. But let's get this on the helmet, see where we put it. So I think I'm just going to put it on the side here on the helmet, make it look really cool. Let's get it on. How awesome is that? That looks really cool, I love them stickers. So yeah, I'm just going to bring some Super t-shirts and the GTR t-shirts. Just have to press my Urban logos on the front and they'll be ready. But yeah, hopefully all goes well. Get rid of a few, put some more money towards the Fiat build. So that's it, Mini up and running. The Civic is running there, just warming them up. Had to jump start the Mini again. It needs a good old spin to charge that battery up. It's just been sitting around, not being driven. Civic starts straight away because it gets driven nearly every day. Mini doesn't. So yeah, can't wait to get this build fully finished. Rear bumper's on, front bumper needs to be done, and then loads of other bits and pieces. But yeah, that's it. Two cars are running and ready to go to the meet. Yeah, you're not a classic car owner if you don't have these in the back of your car. Yep, let's go babies, let's go. I got down here a bit earlier, first two down, Aaron in the Civic, I'm in the Mini. Yeah, so nice to have the Mini on the road, driving 100%. The Civic as well. But someone's coming to look at the Civic. Go again! So yeah, someone's coming to look at the Civic tomorrow as it is for sale because I am doing a drift build. Hopefully get an E36 318 or 320 and drift the absolute shite out of it. Have a Pandem kit there to do a build, maybe do a turbo build or a Honda build in one. But yeah, for now I'm just going to enjoy the Mini for a while. If the Civic sells tomorrow, I'll be going out to get a new project to build a drift car. So yeah, let's see how many people show up tonight. Should be a bit of crack. So the first one to turn up, El Reapy in his shitbox, but it doesn't matter, he still came and it still works. And here comes the Martin fella in his wagon, absolute antichrist. Dun, dun. You're late.
To some degree.
To some degree. Ah, you're early, it's okay. You wasting no time. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. This is Martin's E60 wagon, E60 something wagon. It's like 350 brakes, 700 foot-pounds of torque. Thing's mental. Oh, it's windy out. Just get a few yokes coming in. Nice Golf, nice 4-door Safkozy. Up your boy out. That's nice. Grand little EK Civic, daily wagon. Loud and cool. That's cool.
That's why the talk is all there.
You could have cleaned it. That's a good excuse. Nice to see another Fiat. How are you, dude?
How's it going?
All good, man. Yeah, it sounds lovely. I love the pops and burbles. It's cool. Now, it's not as nice as my Fiat now, you know, but da-dun, da-dun, dun, dun. Nice little turnout. Little, I mean, big. Fucking hell. He wins. What the fuck, man? That thing's mental. Holy shit, my ears. That sounds like fun. I can't hear anything. Holy shit, man, that thing's mental. Holy shit. Holy shit. That was some noise. Now that, yeah. Jesus. There's a few more coming in. Lee's over there in his V10 baby. So nice. That thing is so loud. Absolute mental. Yeah. Civic's looking good. Mini's looking good. Back over here and give out some free stickers. There we go. Nice big meet. Said there was about 50 cars. Unbelievable for the first one. Unbelievable. But there's Lee and the M6 showing off. Showing off. I need to hear it. I need to hear it. Fucking, that thing's meant. Love it. It's alright. Yeah, belter. Cracker. That's it, the loud car leaving. Absolute pops and bangs out. That thing is ridiculous. Till next time. So that's it, nice turnout. A few loud cars, some not so loud. Shitty Hondas, shitty Golfs. Scarlet! Oh! Have a free air freshener. Back again, messing. Sup. Hiding. Why are you hiding? All the messers. Nice turnout, wasn't it? Yeah, it was decent. It's windy. You following me? The Weapon McGann heading off, slaying IS 200s. So that's it, everyone's leaving, they're all standing around doing fuck all. Time to go. Thanks for coming. See you next week. See you for coffee in the morning. So yeah, that's it guys, thanks for coming. See you in the next one. Peace out. Yeah guys, I really appreciate everyone for coming out. It's been amazing. There was a really good turnout. A lot of people shared it. I do appreciate it. So you can still hear everyone in the background revving like mad. Everyone else is heading off to Damastown for some sort of meet, but I'm gonna head home. So yeah, appreciate it for being here guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. So I know I said that's the end of the video, but Civic and Mini is home. Awesome drive, nice to get them out, nice to meet everyone by the way. And yeah, definitely do another meet up. It was really fun. There was a lot of people there. All the stickers and all the air fresheners are gone, so I'm gonna have to order more. But yeah guys, thanks for watching once again the video. Everyone subscribe, I really do appreciate it. Almost at that 4K goal, so let's go. Don't forget, be dedicated, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.